Right motor selection for electric vehicle. Mass of vehicle 1782 kg. Velocity of vehicle 161.71 km per hour, 44.9 meter per second. Tire size is 205 45 R16. R dynamic is given by 0.29545 meter. Here the rolling resistance is 0.02. Air density is 0.60 kg per meter cube. Coefficient of drag is 0.3. Frontal area of vehicle is 2.16 meter square. Sin 12 value is 0.207. Power required to move a vehicle is given by mass into gravity into rolling resistance into velocity plus air density into coefficient of drag into frontal area of vehicle into velocity cube plus mass into into gravity sin alpha into velocity by 3. Calculations comes out to be 1782 into 9.81 into 0.02 into 44.9 plus 0.60 into 0.3 into 2.16 into 44.9 cube plus 1782 into 9.81 sin 12 into 44.9 by 3. After that, the total of the above calculation is given by 15698.31 plus 35193.72 plus 54159.18. This gives 69892.69 watts equals to 69.89 kilowatt. This is the previous power required. First K ratio is 3.62:1, second K ratio is 2.07:1, third K ratio is 1.47:1, fourth K ratio is 1.04:1, fifth gear ratio is 0.84:1, final gear drive is 3.39:1. Rated IM motor power is given by 240 kilowatt, which is derived from the table. Speed of motor to be tested is 5000 rpm. Torque produced by motor is 458.598 Newton meter. Here the rated torque for VR6 GTI Evolve version is 264.38 Newton meter. Transmission losses are 264.38 into 0.7 equals to 185.06 Newton meter. This is a general specification. Fifth and final gear ratio are 0.84:1 and 3.39:1. Overall gear ratio are 2.847:1. So actual torque transfer is 185.06 into 2.847 equals to 526.88 Newton meter. Actual torque on wheel is given by 435.668 Newton meter. Reduction ratio is given by 1.209. Here the peak torque is 1089.17 Newton meter. Starting torque is calculated by 1316.80 Newton meter. Speed of vehicle after reduction is given by 4135.64 rpm. Overall speed is given by 1452.63 rpm. If we convert rpm into meter per second, then we get 44.9 meter per second or 161.71 kilometer per hour. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel Self Study Mechanical Techniques to Succeed and press the bell icon.